Ntwadumela is back from his patrol, always ready to confront hyenas. He catches the matriarch. It is a moment of supreme opportunity for the matriarch seems to succeed in the psychological warfare. This is not a competition for food. When Matsumi leads the pride out to meet the hyenas, it is to do battle once again with their eternal enemies. Frenzied calls filter across the bush to the keen ears of Ntwadumela, he who greets with fire. He is the hyena killer. Swift bite to the neck, and the new matriarch is dead. The day belongs to the lions.